Moving over to the Russell and the Dow, the Russell did hit that next level for 214.79, overthrew it pretty dramatically, but then we ended up closing above it. You can see a little bit of a rally after hours. I just wasn't ready to take a position here. The Russell looks a lot worse being below all the EMAs and SMAs. Could you have traded off that level? Absolutely. Got the break below it, broke back above it, held the level. You can see that here, came in, tested it, held it actually really well, retested the level, got the continuation higher. If you bought in here with the 214 as your stop, I totally understand, makes sense to me. I just didn't take that. I probably should have. I wasn't watching the Russell super closely today, and I absolutely should have. Looks like a pretty good trade off that level. And then looking at the Dow here again, you can see we finally touched 432.78. That was the target. We finally touched it. The low of day was 432.65, so we touched that level. Caught a solid bounce, ended up positive on the day, 1/3%. After hours, bouncing a little bit more. So can we get the gap fill, get the push to the level, 441.43? I could absolutely see it. I just think we're extended. You can see how this is fading in momentum to the downside. The Russell looks good here to 218. If this hangs out in here, maybe even gives us a retest of 214, that would be great. Then I'd be looking for an entry here, look for a push to that 218 level. I think it's definitely in play, at least for now, in my opinion.